Hey, welcome back to another video. And today, we're going to be checking out the new Animal Company update. Now, from what I heard, they added 2 new items in Studio, I think. Alright, let's dive in. I kind of hope there's a new loading screen. Not that I hate the other one, but... Yo, yeah, there is. Creator Studios. Whoa, what the... Okay, this is sick. I like that. Oh, I forgot the menu. Oh, that's the...
Team! Blue team!
Okay, so I think there's the new things here. Gotta wait. Okay, la 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 la. I don't want to hear no leaks, no leaks. No, 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 no. It is here. I'm definitely getting it. Holy. Alien eyes. This is fire. Yo. The banana kind of looks mid. I'm definitely doing that. Hold on. Yeah, I can get it. Okay, I'll get it in a sec. Yo ho 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 ho! Merry Christmas! Okay, there's new eyes, I think, isn't there? Yeah, demon eye. How does this look? Yo, that looks actually fire. No new animal. I'm gonna buy that. That looks sick. Okay, any new hats? No new hats. Space. Okay, hold on. Clothing. Outfit. I think I may get this kind of. I like that. So is this? I think I may get that. That looks sick. Okay, there's 2 new items, which are Boomerang and Life. Boomerang. Oh, where's the Life Buoy? Where's the Life Buoy? Kinda looks different. I know it's not, but... Okay, where the football is. Yow! That hurt. Almost like... Okay, where's the football? Shield. Fling myself across. Are you flipping? It's right there. That's sick! If you guys didn't notice, like, there's a green little orb thingy since it's new. That's so cool. Okay, I need... Yo, this update's so sick, bro. Okay. Let's get the boomerang. Yo! Yo, that's sick. Where's the life boot? Oh, they're probably at late. They're probably not an actual item. Makes sense. Yeah, nay. I'm definitely gonna get the Galaxy Pack, but I wanna save 6,000 so that I can get the new crab animal that's coming out soon. Okay. First, I'm gonna go check out if there's a buoy over here. Those don't count. They added a new buoy. I don't know where it is. Weird. Alright, let's go. Is this gonna be like a... Yo! This is sick. Here's a green screen. Perfect color. Tracking markers. Yo. Okay, that's that. Yo, Godzilla? B5 full fun. Ooga booga. This is so sick. Okay, next one. That's locked. Whoa. This just in. Breaking news. Oh my gosh. Breaking news. We're all cooked. This is fun. Holy. What's this? Oh, heck no. Oh. I can't grab this stuff. What's this? Oh, it's a TV. So that's pretty cool. What about behind here? That'd be a good hiding spot. This is gonna be so cool for hide and seek. Holy, I just never realized. Okay. That's nothing. Okay, anything down here? No. Holy! They adding airplanes next? No, this is sick. Yo, this is for airplanes. Hold on, how big is it? Yo, this is like really big. Whoa. This is big. Okay, now I have to get out. There. This is the last one, sadly. This is like a it's kind of like, I don't know why, but this reminds me of Mr. Beast. No. Oh, and this is not Mr. Beast. This is someone else. I feel like this is. I think. Imagine you actually use this. That'd be cool. So. Yeah, this was sick. I don't know what the buoy is, though. Apparently, there's a buoy. This is awesome, bro. Animal Company cooked with this update. Does this actually work? Oh, that sucks. It should work. But yeah, that's so cool. Yeah, that's so cool. But I just don't get where the buoy is. Like,